Hello and welcome to my video. I am now finished adding all the ingredients into the split pea soup, and the soup now is to simmer for up to 2 hours. So I have it on a timer set. So every 15 minutes you will continue to stir the split pea soup. So let's look inside. So what I've added is I've got my split pea soup here, which I rinsed and then I let set in water for 12 hours, just the peas. Then I chopped up fresh yellow onion, and then I added a bag of already chopped carrots, and then I added a can of all vegetable soup. And now I'm trying to set the simmer correctly, so I'm not sure exactly where simmer is, but I think it's between medium and low, obviously, and I'm just trying to make sure I get my simmer correct. And again, we will be stirring the pot every 15 minutes, so the timer will go off to remind you. Now, when you're first boiling your peas, there will be some foam that comes up, and you need to skim that foam off because it will rise up and fall over onto the stove. And if you look at my video that I will connect to the end of this video, you'll see where the foam went up and made a mess. And then I talked about all the ingredients. So check out the video that will be linked to this video. So here's some of the things that I'm adding. Yes, I'm adding just a little bit of ghee butter. No salt seasoning has already been added. And then I've added garlic salt. Actually, my helper added that. And then the garlic powder. And then some basil and pepper. And you can add meat, you can add ham and everything, but we're making it vegetable because he's a vegetarian. And but also, again, we'll be stirring this every 20 minutes and when it simmers for up to 2 hours. So you definitely want to make sure you're continuously stirring your split pea soup. And this is a large container here. This is 1 bag of split pea soup. Okay, so now you can click on the next video to show you all the ingredients I added and to show you all the foam that rose up and fell onto the stove. So you want to watch that immediately when you start boiling your split pea soup. Anyways, let's take a look at the split pea soup again. And let me just stir it for you. Look how beautiful that looked, and it smells great. Now it's simmering. So there's the simmer. You can see it simmering just a little bit. And again, thanks for watching.